Okay, in today's video, I'm talking to those out there that finally are saying, I'm sick and tired of paying my landlord's mortgage. I make a payment every month and he just takes it or she just takes it and pays their mortgage. They're building equity. They're getting write-offs. They're getting all this stuff. And as we've seen, there's actually home appreciation. So what I want to talk about in today's video are the 3 C's. You've decided that finally you're going to try to buy your first house. So I want you to understand the 3 C's that lenders look at. So let's get over to them. The 3 C's are this, and I'm going to change the order just a little bit. This says character, and then I'm going to say capacity, and then capital. Let me explain those. Character is basically what your credit score is. Do you have the character to pay your bills? You might have the money, but you just might not pay your bills, okay? So character is what your credit score is. Basically, that's in a nutshell. And I'm gonna put a link right down below where you can get your actually FICO mortgage score, because that's very important. You need to have your FICO score and you need to have the mortgage score. So down below, you're gonna see my FICO and you're gonna have a link to that, okay? The next thing is the capacity. Do you make enough money to actually pay all your bills? Okay, so that's capacity. Now, the last thing is capital. Do you have enough money? Do you have enough money, enough capital to buy your first home in 2024? Now, that's the piece that a lot of people are lacking at this point. So I want to go over this in brief with you just to explain to you guys the different down payment assistance programs that are out there. And there's thousands of them. A lot of them are not so good. And we try to advise our borrowers against those because they come with really high rates, really high fees, and they're in the long run, it doesn't really pan out for you. But what I want to show you right here is there's grants out there and there are loans. Okay, loans normally need payback, as we all know. Grants, well, they could be forgivable or they could come with payments. So what we want to focus in on is the free grants, the ones that you don't have to pay back. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So how do you find out what you qualify for when it comes to this? So what I need you to do is go to therateupdate.com. Now here's our website. Okay, there's a whole bunch of information up there. Please check out all those tabs. But the one I want you to focus in on says right over there, it says grant. Okay, so you're going to click the grant and it's going to pop up this page for you right here. It's going to ask you a series of, I think there's like 7 or 8 questions. And I'm going to go over these questions with you because there's one spot that's a little bit tricky and I'm going to work you through it. Okay, so you're going to go down through and answer this. So we're going to start through this and it's going to say, will another person be on the loan with you? And I'm going to put in this case, no, it's just me. What is your credit score? Well, I used the My FICO tab down below and I got my FICO mortgage score. That's very important. You have to be precise on that. It can't be your Credit Karma credit score or any other credit score. It has to be your FICO mortgage score. And again, the link will be down below where you can order that. So I'm going to put mine in at 700 credit score. Am I a first-time home buyer? Yes, I am. Where do you live? Well, I live in Chicago, right through here, and this is on the list. So if your address is or your state, city, or whatever's on this list, click yes. If it's not, then click no. Okay, in this case, it is. I do live in those areas. So now I'm going to scroll down a little bit further. Now, here's the tricky part. You're going to have to find the census geocode tracker for your address. Okay, so what I need you to do is go out on the web, and this is what I did. So I'm going to pull up this home. It is in Chicago. I hate doing this, but I'll give this, maybe this guy, this person, or this house will get a little more views today. But I'm going to copy that address. I'm going to go into this geo tracker. Now, this is what happens. This is what pulls up when you click right through here, the geo tracker code. You click that, you plug in the address right through here, you get results. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and then just scroll up just one tab. Okay, right through here. Here's what you need. Here's what you're looking for. You're looking for the census tract geo ID code. So you're going to copy that code. That's the hardest part of this whole thing, I promise you. Then you're going to go back here and you're going to plug in that code. Okay, and then you're going to answer just a few more questions. How much do I make? I make $80,000. Where am I looking to buy? Illinois, Cook County, that's where Chicago is. And what's the price of the home I'm looking to buy? Well, this one is $245,000. So I go back there, put in $245,000, and now here's what's happening. I'm going to say, how much do I want to put down? And now the magic starts right through here. Now, this is going to tell you which loans or which grants, down payment assistance programs, you qualify for. And these are the easiest, cheapest, most affordable, I can't say, I would recommend these to family members. Most of the down payment assistance programs, I don't. So this one now says I qualify for the 1 Plus, the Purchase Plus, and the Home Ready First. Okay, you're going to go through here and you're most likely going to pick the one that gives you the most bang for your buck right through here. But just want to give you a little kudos here. The 1 Plus, this is going through Rocket. Okay, now you can go to Rocket directly. You're going to pay a higher rate and additional fees. but you can use me, yes, me, to go through the Rocket platform, and I'll be able to get you a lower rate and lower fees in probably 99% of the cases. So don't go out to Rocket. Please use the tab right there that says apply now. These other programs to go to different lenders that we work with, but that's basically a walkthrough of finding the most efficient down payment assistance programs out there. And again, these don't come with paybacks. They're basically, I won't say it's free money because that's probably not the most legal way to put this, but it's as close to being free money as you could possibly get. So again, if your dilemma this year is you do not want to pay your landlord's mortgage anymore and you want to qualify for your first home and you just don't have all the 3 C's and you're lacking one of them, well, this hopefully will fill that place of that one that you're lacking. So that's it for today, guys. If you want to find out more about me and my team, please go back to the rateupdate.com and you're going to find all the information you need there. If you'd like to call in, you can do that as well. Just scroll down to the bottom of the website and you're going to find that information as well as my email address right there. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. And if we could be of any help, please reach out to us. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please don't forget to do that right down there. Take care, folks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.